Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning with Teacher Pat. Today I have a super cool science experiment to share with you guys today, and it is called Hidden Colors. And the cool thing about this science experiment is most of the items you should be able to find in your own home pantry. So we're gonna go over the items that you're gonna need. The first thing that you're gonna need is food coloring, baking soda, and vinegar. These are going to be just regular white vinegar. These are going to be your base for the science experiment. And everything else, if you have it at home, if you don't have, you can improvise with little bowls. And I'll go over that in just a minute. The other thing you're going to need is a spoon and some kind of squeezing mechanism. I don't have one, so I'm going to be using an empty water bottle. And I'm going to be poking holes on top with a thumbtack. So if you're going to go my route, this is what you're going to need. A funnel to help us pour the vinegar later. A muffin tin. You can use the big muffin tins. I'm just going to use the small one today. And something to put underneath. I would highly suggest putting something underneath. Otherwise, you can use a garbage bag. So let's get started. So guys, this science experiment is your classic vinegar with baking soda kind of science experiment. But what we're going to do is in each muffin tin hole, we're going to put 1 drop of food coloring in. We're going to cover it with baking soda, and then your kids are going to squeeze the vinegar over it, and it's going to cause a reaction, and it's going to bubble up like crazy, and then the colors will show up. So we're going to get started by first putting in our food coloring. Okay, so in my box of food coloring, it comes with 4 standard colors. Red, yellow, blue, and green. I'm going to, since there's 12 in each one, I'm only going to do 3 of each color, and I'm going to put them in a random spot. Just 1 drop in the middle is all you need. That's the green, and then we're going to do yellow. And the last 3 are going to be the blue. Super easy. You don't need to spread it out or anything. You just put it down the middle and it's good. Okay, I'm going to move these out of the way. And then what you're going to do with your spoon, you're going to put 1 scoop of baking soda on the top of it to cover up that food coloring. You don't need a lot. There you go. I think I did about half of a spoon. This one I did a whole spoon. It's too much. I would just do half a spoon. And the good thing about these parents is this box I bought from the dollar store. It's only $1 for this box. Sometimes they go on sale at the stores for like 79 cents. And most of us have some kind of white vinegar at home. And it's good for cleaning. Sometimes we stick ours in the refrigerator. Don't throw away the ones that have been in the refrigerator, because you can use it for these kind of experiments. See? Okay, hold on. Okay, so now that we have those covers, I'm going to set these aside because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the water bottle. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill up my bottle. If you have a squeeze bottle or an eyedropper, you can go ahead and use that, but I don't have those. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up the vinegar in this bottle. You don't have to use a funnel if you have a steady hand, but I'm clumsy, so I'd rather use that than get it everywhere. I'm going to do about half the bottle and start with that because that tray was pretty small, so we may or may not need that much. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cap back on, and then that thumbtack that we had earlier, put it on top, please. I'm going to go ahead and poke a few holes in there. Now, can I do it with 1 hole? Yes, you can, but the vinegar comes out really slow. So see what I'm doing, folks? I'm poking the hole in and I'm kind of going in a circle. It kind of makes that hole a little bit bigger. Right now I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes, and I'm going to make maybe 4 more. 2, 3, 4. And that should be pretty good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Austin come over and let's put these back on. And he's just going to squeeze it on top, and then we're going to watch the magic happen. Now, this part where I was scooping the baking soda, you can definitely have your kids help you with that. I choose to do this and not have my son do it, because then that way it'll be more of a surprise when he does this science experiment. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my area. Since I'm doing it inside, I want to make sure that the stuff that's going to be in here is not going to get on my floor. So I'm going to put a plastic bag too. Plus, I just never know with my son. If you want to do it outdoors or even in like a sink or something, by all means, do it to the way you would in your home. And this is just for easy cleanup later. So Austin, come here. You want to try science experiment? Let's see. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. You're going to take this and you're going to squeeze it on there, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! What color is that?
It's blue.
Woo! Woo!
So
Whoa! So many colors, huh?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Is that cool? Wow! And that, parents, is hidden colors.
Uh-oh, wait.
Wow! When there's residual baking soda on the bottom, you'll be able to see it. You can actually squeeze more for more of a reaction. Well, that one turned into purple. Cool! Say cool, Austin.
Cool.
Well, that's it, folks. Baking soda, vinegar, food coloring. You got an awesome science experiment. And then you know what? Don't dump this stuff outside. Dump it down your sink. It's a good sink cleaner and it helps to deodorize too. So I hope you have the chance to try this out. Really cool science experiment that shows a really cool chemical reaction that's safe for everyone. Enjoy. Bye.